Enjoy the perfect university experience at 700 Flushing Avenue in New York. Home to comfort, convenience, campus proximity, and now you too. Your stunning new non-ensuite offers you a spacious bed with clean sheets and soft pillows for comfort, roomy closet to house your style, study corner to get productive, and your own smart TV. From blazing fast Wi-Fi to make homework easy, on-site laundry to skip laundromat runs, and weekly housekeeping for hygiene, everything's available here for a comfortable stay. And that's not even the best part. Your new home is connected to many popular universities, including Pratt Institute and St. Joseph's University, placing you just minutes away from campus, so your everyday commute remains seamless. Also, with buses from Johnson Avenue and Montrose Avenue, or the nearest subway, exploring the Big Apple will be smooth and speedy for a fun weekend away with friends. So don't make your dream home wait. Secure your stay at 700 Flushing Avenue in New York via amberstudent.com before it slips away.